short car ready to go in the dyno. We got the wideband O2 sensor in. We got the fuel pressure sensor, so we can see what's going on with the fuel pressure. There's not a lot we can actually adjust. In this session, we're just gonna basically see if the engine is performing as it should with the stock ECU, and also that, you know, the AFRs are pretty good, just to be on the safe side with the engine. Really looking forward to see what this thing does and how it sounds. So we got 180 horsepower on the first pull, but the EFR they are a little bit lean, so we're gonna try to just adjust the fuel pressure a little bit and see if that helps. I don't know if we're gonna gain any horsepower, but the engine is gonna run a little bit better. The AFR was now 13.8, aiming for approximately around 13, so the engine will run a lot safer. So that's the dyno session done. I'm really happy about the result. We got 5 horsepower over the stock numbers, so that's really good. I was fearing that this was an old worn out engine, so I was fearing that the engine had lost a lot of power, but that's not the case, so I'm really stoked. Everything seems to be working fine, and now it's just a few small touches, minor touches before the race, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to it.